How much should you actually spend on an enclosed ceiling fan with lights? Because you might find some cheap options that look good, but are they really worth it? Let's break it down so you can make the right choice. Product number 1, ZMIS HIBO Ceiling Fan. First up, we have the ZMIS HIBO Ceiling Fan. At $53.98, this flush mount fan caught my eye with its sleek black design and impressive features. If you want a reliable fan that also serves as a stylish light fixture, this is worth a serious look. The ZMIS HIBO packs in some serious functionality. It boasts a brightness of 2200 lumens, which means it can light up your space effectively, and you can adjust the color temperature from a warm 3000K to a cool 6000K. The remote and app control add a layer of convenience, allowing you to customize the fan's speed and light settings from anywhere in the room. Plus, the reversible DC motor offers cooling airflow in summer and warm air circulation in winter. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It means you can enjoy comfort throughout the year without high energy bills. Now, some people complained about the fan being a bit noisy at higher speeds. Here's the thing though, it really depends on the environment. If you're using this in a bedroom, you may want to keep it on a lower speed. But honestly, for the price, it's a solid option. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable yet stylish fan that delivers on both performance and aesthetics. Skip this one if you need a super quiet fan for a nursery. Overall, it provides great value for money. Now, if you're concerned about noise levels, the next fan on my list takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, LEDIARY Modern Ceiling Fan. Next up is the LEDIARY 20 Modern Ceiling Fan, priced at $49.99. This one immediately stood out to me with its modern white finish and energy-efficient features. If you're after a sleek design with powerful performance, this fan deserves your attention. The LEDIARY fan has a brightness of 3570 lumens, which means it's bright enough for larger rooms. You can adjust the color temperature anywhere from 3000K to 6500K, giving you that perfect ambience for any occasion. The remote control and app connectivity make it easy to adjust the fan speed and light settings without getting up. Plus, with 6 different speed settings and a reversible motor, you can enjoy cool breezes in summer and warm air in winter, just what you need for year-round comfort. However, a few users noted that the light could be too bright for some spaces. Here's the thing, if you prefer a cozy, dim atmosphere, you might want to consider using a lower setting or pairing it with a dimmer switch. This is the ideal choice if you're looking for a fan that combines style, efficiency, and technology. Skip this one if you're after something more traditional or less bright. It's a great value for what you get. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer a caged design. Product number 3, LEDIARY Caged Ceiling Fan. Now let's talk about the LEDIARY 20 Caged Ceiling Fan, going for $66.49. I was impressed by its unique farmhouse design and safety features, making it a great choice for homes with kids or pets. If you want a stylish fan that prioritizes safety, this one's a winner. This fan combines a beautiful caged design with powerful functionality. It offers a brightness of up to 1000 lumens when paired with the right bulbs, and you can control the fan and light independently via remote or app. The 6 speed options and reversible motor mean you can enjoy the perfect airflow no matter the season. The quiet operation at just 35 dB makes it great for bedrooms or living spaces. However, it's worth mentioning that the bulbs aren't included, which might be a hassle for some. But really, this gives you the flexibility to choose the ambience you want. This is perfect for you if you have kids or pets and want a stylish yet safe ceiling fan. Skip this if you prefer a more minimalist design. Overall, it offers great value for the safety features and design. Now, if the need for safety and style is important to you, the next fan might just blow you away. Product number 4, SHLUCE Farmhouse Ceiling Fan. Next is the SHLUCE 19 Farmhouse Flush Mount Caged Ceiling Fan, priced at $69.98. This fan caught my attention with its rustic charm and dependable performance. If you're looking for a blend of farmhouse style and modern functionality, this one's definitely worth considering. With a brightness of 800 lumens, it might not be the brightest option, but the fan makes up for it with its powerful and ultra-quiet motor, ensuring you won't be disturbed while sleeping or working. The remote control allows you to switch between 6 speeds easily, and you can set a timer for added convenience. The reversible function means you can enjoy it year-round. It pushes warm air down in winter and circulates cool air in summer, which is a game changer. One downside is that some users found the installation instructions a bit lacking. But here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty straightforward if you follow the video tutorial available online. This is perfect for you if you love rustic designs and need a fan that operates quietly. Skip this one if you need something super bright. It's a solid investment in style and comfort. Now, if you're looking for a unique design that really stands out, the next fan might just be your perfect fit. Product number 5, LEDIARY Rustic Caged Ceiling Fan. Lastly, we have the LEDIARY Caged Low Profile Ceiling Fan, available for $62.49. This fan combines a unique square shape with a rustic wood grain finish. It's a standout piece for any room. If you want a fan that adds a touch of character to your space, this one is a great choice. With its quiet reversible DC motor, this fan operates at noise levels below 35 dB, perfect for creating a peaceful environment. The remote control lets you manage 6 fan speeds and set a timer, and you can also control the light independently. The pre-assembled components mean installation is quick and easy, saving you time and hassle. Plus, it's compatible with any E26 bulbs, so you can customize the lighting to your preferences. However, some users mention that the motor can be slightly weaker compared to other models. Here's the thing though, if you're using it in a smaller room, it should work just fine. This is perfect for you if you want a unique design that complements rustic decor. Skip this if you need a fan with maximum power for larger spaces. Overall, it's a good value for a stylish addition to your home. To wrap it up, we've covered 5 great enclosed ceiling fans with lights that cater to different needs. The ZMISHIBO and LEDIARY models are fantastic for their price, while the caged designs from LEDIARY and SHLUC add a touch of charm. If you lean towards unique designs, the LEDIARY Rustic Caged Fan is your best bet. No matter what you choose, each of these options brings comfort and style to your home.